Good morning, August 30, 2023. Good morning, plants. Oh dear, some are already dying. See, because of the 3 days already of no water. This is already the last day. People of Barugo waiting for the water. See? Sayang kung bigay ni Nelson. Dear. This one. I'm broken-hearted with this. There is new leafy camouflage leaf, but two already I die. See? How good it is good. Chill. Bakit marami siyang mga butas-butas? That is how they fight heat. Force na sila. Mamaya, manghingi ako, bibili ako ng tubig para makainom sila, kawawa naman. O, 4 na lang sila. Grabe.